Hi guys, and welcome back to Aisha.Academy. And in today's video we're going through surface areas of 3D shapes. So firstly, when it comes to the surface areas of certain shapes, surface area is the total area of each face of a 3D shape. And you'll need to work out the surface areas of the following shapes in your exams. This includes cuboids, pyramids, prisms, cylinders, cones, and spheres. So I've circled the ones which are not given on the formula sheet, but actually on the new GCSE formula sheets, they're not giving any surface areas anymore, so try and learn all of them. So firstly, we're going to go through the surface area of a cylinder. So that is 2 pi r squared, because if you think about it, a cylinder has 2 circles on the top and the bottom, and add that to 2 pi r h. And then the surface area of a cone is pi r squared again, because if you think about your cone, it has the circle shape on it as well, and then that's added to pi r h, pi r l. And then with your sphere surface area, it is 4 pi r squared, and that's it. So we're going to go through a working example. So an example here is we have this sphere, and the radius of the sphere is 5 centimeters. And the question says calculate the surface area of this sphere to 1 decimal place. So using the formula given before, which is 4 pi r squared, we are going to replace the r with 5, because 5 is the radius, and that should give you 314.2 centimeters squared. So we're going to go through some practice questions. Example 1. So in this question, it's given us a cuboid, and it's given us the length, width, and the height, and it wants us to work out the surface area of the cuboid. So with the cuboid, if you think about it, it has 4 rectangles, okay? So we're going to work out the area of one of the rectangles and multiply it by 4. So that's going to be 6 times 1.5, which would leave you with an answer of 9, and then multiply that by 4, and that should leave you with an answer of 36. And then also on your cuboid, you have 2 squares, and the length and the width on the square, because remember on a square all the sides are the same, is 1.5. So again, because there's 2 squares, we're going to do the 1.5 multiplied by the 1.5, which would leave you with an answer of 2.25, and then multiply that by 2, and that should leave you with an answer of 4.5. And then lastly, because it's total surface area, we're going to add those answers together, and that should leave you with an answer of 40.5 centimeters squared. Example 2. So here we've got our cylinder, and it wants us to work out the total surface area. So again, for the cylinder, remember the surface area, because it has the 2 circles. So you're going to do the pi r squared times 2, and then add that to 2 pi r h. So your radius times your height times pi. So first of all, it's going to be 2 times pi. Our radius in this question is 11, so it's going to be times 11 squared. And then you're adding that to 2 times pi. Again, the radius is 11, so multiply that by 11, and multiply that by 30, because that's our height. And that would leave you with 2,833.7211, but then it wants you to leave it to 2 significant figures, so that's 2,800 centimeters squared. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that was useful.